was just a lot of hard work and dedication that people had took time out from their busy schedule on a weekend when they could be doing something else to help families like ourselves. It just means a lot to us. We're just really grateful. We're really thrilled.
Did a good job.
Yeah, good.
And they were very nice workers. Well, when you get older, you have so much that you need to be done around the place, and you can't afford to do it. And it was a godsend to me.
Yeah.
It was a blessing.
Saturday, the good people came and blessed us, and we are really thankful.
Yeah.
Thankful.
Oh, it's everything. I mean, your home is your livelihood. Makes a big difference.
The old one was actually ready to fall. And it's a real good porch, and those boys done a real good job. They come at 8:30 and started, worked through the rain. So yeah, I'm happy.